From the heart of the kitchen, where flour dusts the air like a gentle snowfall and the sweet scent of sugar hangs in anticipation, a particular kind of magic unfolds. Western baking is a tradition steeped in history, a craft passed down through generations, evolving from simple hearth-baked breads to the most intricate and dazzling confections. It is a world where precision meets passion, where science and art dance together in a delicate ballet of ingredients and techniques. This rich tapestry of flavors and textures has given rise to countless beloved treats, from the humble, soul-soothing chocolate chip cookie to the towering, celebratory wedding cake. Each creation tells a story, a narrative of culture, innovation, and the shared joy of a well-made dessert. Today, we delve into a realm where baking transcends mere sustenance and becomes a form of high art, a feast for the eyes as much as for the palate. We explore the extraordinary world of edible artistry, where cakes are not just baked, but designed, sculpted, and transformed into breathtaking visual masterpieces that challenge our very perception of what a dessert can be. At the pinnacle of Western baking's creative expression, we find edible artistry cakes, a discipline where bakers are akin to sculptors and painters, using fondant, gum paste, and buttercream as their chosen media. These are not simply desserts. They are bespoke works of art, each one meticulously crafted to tell a unique story or capture a specific vision. This movement transforms the cake from a mere celebratory centerpiece into the main event itself, an object of awe and conversation. Imagine a multi-tiered wedding cake that perfectly replicates the delicate lace of a bridal gown, with each intricate pattern piped by hand with painstaking precision. Picture a birthday cake sculpted into a lifelike dragon, its scales shimmering with edible gold dust and its eyes glinting with a fiery spark. These creations push the boundaries of culinary possibility, demanding an extraordinary level of skill, patience, and artistic foresight. The process behind these masterpieces is as complex as any fine art form. It begins with a detailed consultation, where the baker-artist collaborates with a client to conceptualize a design. This can involve sketching, creating mood boards, and even building miniature models to perfect the structure and composition. The foundation, the cake itself, must be engineered for stability, especially for towering, gravity-defying structures. Bakers use internal supports, dowels, and carefully calculated tiers to ensure their creations can stand tall and proud. Then comes the artistic execution. Techniques like airbrushing are used to create subtle gradients of color, mimicking a sunset or the soft blush on a flower petal. Hand painting with edible pigments allows for the rendering of detailed portraits or intricate landscapes directly onto the fondant canvas. Sculpting with modeling chocolate or gum paste brings three-dimensional figures to life. From delicate sugar flowers, so realistic you can almost smell their fragrance, to whimsical characters that seem poised to leap off the cake board. These edible sculptures are often inspired by a vast array of influences, including fashion, architecture, nature, and fantasy. One might see a cake that mirrors the clean, geometric lines of a modernist building, while another captures the organic, flowing forms of an Art Nouveau painting. The goal is to evoke emotion and create a lasting memory, transforming a fleeting moment of celebration into an unforgettable aesthetic experience. For the artisans who create them, each cake is a labor of love, a testament to their dedication to the craft. They are part of a vibrant community of innovators who continually push the envelope, developing new techniques and materials to bring ever more fantastical visions to life. This is where Western baking becomes a spectacle, a dazzling display of creativity and technical prowess that delights the senses and captures the imagination. As our journey through the delectable world of Western baking traditions concludes for now, we are left with a profound appreciation for its artistry and enduring charm. From the foundational techniques that have stood the test of time to the avant-garde creations that challenge our expectations, this culinary art form is a vibrant and ever-evolving celebration of human creativity. It is a world built on the simple joy of transforming basic ingredients into something extraordinary, a tradition that continues to inspire, comfort, and bring people together. The legacy of Western baking is not just in its recipes, but in the memories it creates and the passion it ignites in both bakers and enthusiasts alike. So, the next time you marvel at a beautifully crafted confection, remember the skill, history, and heart baked into every layer. A sweet testament to a craft that truly is a feast for all the senses.